Kindu gitagwo riri, and I don't know whether they still practice that in Tanganyika. Lekwa ina kindu gitagwo ujamaa.
Ujamaa?
Yes.
Ndireciria Tanganyika nduri wathira.
Nduri wathira. There are still traces of it. Na ujamaa na guku ri kwindi wari okuo, not formally, no ni kwari na ujamaa muingi muno, especially riria andu othe makoragwo rugongo. Ni kwindi Nairobi yoke only very few people.
Very few.
Those days, people used to earn a living and live in the rural area.
Yes. Ona ni ukakuria family ngima ri. Kila mtu ako hapo.
Yes. Aciona tuyukana kudemystify undu ucio ri. Wakora mundu ni agura na tamiru akagegia itura muno. Because people would intermarry within. Mwana wa muhiriga na mukarora some red flags starting ni mari urogi. Riu wakora wakurira gicagi guthomera okuo urikia thukuru
no hikanio kuo rogere ciana kuo
vio na ciana ciaku ithomera okuria wathomeire. It still happens, but nowadays andu ni magi flexire maso
na andu makiumagaranga.
Yes. Ede atene kuna ujamaa ucio ri, you had no choice but to have ujamaa. Tondu again you have to appreciate poverty levels ni ciari nyinga ingiwe.
Ukia naguo matuko macio ri
ni waugaga mbu
ukiona ri muraihu.
Yes. Tau ni uthiaga utonete mwana we na iraka matoci maria meri. Yes. Tene matoci ri was actually fashionable.
Nah, that was a way of life.
It was ona iretu ni mali na iraka. Yes.
Kendure sikure to
iraka gukonagia kina kiraka kia jini. And the girl is okay. Tondu ni muhana ine. Those days ri he maundu mekagwo hindi iyo umuthi umatie kagwo ta kuhoyana some very basic commodities. Yes. You see, boom yako uri nita yatwaranaga. There is a time andu a rugongo mai ya mbeca ta mari othe hamwe cigacoka igoka ithiririkite
na ciathire ikamathirira othe.
Riu uria wetigeirie kanyamuri ni atuika resource haria
marigainie.
Yes. Ni wakora ni kurahoanwo cumbi ni wigua mucemo ucio ri okuo oyo ni tuhoyanaga cumbi. Ndio ni literally.
No, it was literally.
Yes. Wekagirwo cumbi handu
sukari wanegero kibaba kianyu.
Yes.
Kibaba kianyu gia cumbi ni empty.
Ni
kero githi kwa jirani ikoma miguo munini umere magwikirira gacumbi.
Yes. Na gacumbi ndwathimagwo muno.
So again, it was not expensive.
Yes. And you see, there was also a physical social media yamumenyithagia gwa tata guo ri ni kurokete guceronia ageni maroka na shopping ukaheo script ume own uri okuhoya sukari.
Well, kuhoya sukari was going too far.
But you see, it was on the realization that they have a surplus. Ni wamenya ni kurokirwo ni kwakamenya ngakwa riu ni uguthie umenye uri ugwika.
Is upon you and your wisdom.
You see, na kitata guo ri mindset ya kamura atiri otora tuteregete sukari ri ona matirege like at least to break the fast.
Riwa riria riramarĩire ri.
Yes.
Rio rimwarĩire.
Yes.
Omaragia munyaka wa kugia mugeni uroka na bunjo.
No those you are captured ni social media pundits maramenya kundu kuu kwina mutumbuva
kwina odondo kwina woe
ona ni watumagwo mutu script iri kuthira ri to be very creative mutire mutu piu no we wakija ku ukahuthira script kauga atiri mami auga ngima itu ni atondora ai mutu kamutu gako makia enyitane tocio kaitu ni kararira na ko matene. nake moyo ri ni athoma mood na theme akamune mutu uyu to ni amenya mama muci ucio
ni huthu gutire
ona ki
na mutire na mwihoko wa kuona kindu na ihenya
exactly theme yaku yatikirika you had to employ the literature yes and appeal yes
na ni wakoraga riu nake muhoyo ri akira mundu ina fine ni agukuhe no ni agukumagaria na ciugo
wega thoguo ithe ndararihirwo mbeca iria guthirwo ni kiria ni funda ya sifu
ndiraiguire thoguo akiinuka hwaye muriu akirumanaga
anaugia ndikogorirwo no you had to be the devil's advocate
kinyita haha ndurika
ani mwimenyeretie uru muno mamigua guitiriria mboga ciake kianda mai niki na atumia aria angi maraga giathi ciareirwo ni mba ni aitagiriria ni mba ya cicinire tondu mba ikara kwanyu witu kianda gutiri
no cianyu ciaheire
kwanja kianda kianyu ngurumo yanyu ni gia mio muno agite kukureha andu magiathi niki kwenda itomboya ni ingine cirabutha you had to have counters
no kinyo count
yes
bora you get what you want
na moito twameneire matata maitu hau ni uria akuhea dress down
na ni waheo dress down ri ndwikinya script yo uria waheo mucii
to ni woragia atiriri akwira atia auga turathimwo na turirikano ni uria uririkanaga andu
historical injustices against kids.
You had to play politics. And you see, either the parents would not let their pride down as an object of appeal. Yes.
Yes. Appeal, I must say appeal.
Yes.
The dire situation.
Yes. Yo abo kokerugamithia hau ukamba gathima no ningi no thie kundu ukora mutumia ucio waku akorwo ahiuhurwo heigire ni murume no makongia thire mudi
no nginya giavire assess the situation.
Yes.
Umenye is the coast clear.
Udome inifilum. Na yo ndungiathire ukora ciana ciaku ikihurwo umenye riu horo cio ri ona ni ugukuniko wirwo ona we uma mehia-ini mariku
uma ngeni-ini ya mehia
ni wamba kwiyeheria ugathi ukauga matiriku
ucio ti wa Sara ndiraigua kiaria kuu
asa itata wao Jude
coka kuo
Jude ndai na masafi mana thiini oe nginya kwao na thiini ala vitali wao no nginya mwaki litera reke
kibiriti
yes
kana mwaki
yes woka na gathaburia kari ta ithirio
na gathani
kana if you are fortunate to have the spade yes tato mwaki ndwagira mĩmera waingĩra kũu riko no tige wacokereria yo tige ndogo kũu na nĩ mwana omwagĩte kĩarĩro mũno aĩkorwo nĩ inyuĩ mũhoya mwaki
ahoia mwaki nao nĩ moĩkaine itũũra
it was as basic as kumbĩka yes
ndingĩhota kũraria mwaki
ona mũna tũbariti atuĩkanĩirie mbembe-inĩ Sara muma kuoya mwaki mwagire kihariro biu nekura kurauria riko rito raingira mai
utingihota kunithia mai
papa ni araugia ni agotuthimindira riko ari wo wa Kenya Power
ni ambite guthiminda metha-ini
augire kwanja na riko ni undu wa mbure ukayuniriire riko
akire mucerere
asa araugia ndego ikara muno mbura yura o kwanyu irarĩ ya kũringa ĩrageria haitũ ĩrathiĩ cũi matinanaigua you had to be creative kũhumbĩra
thoni cia family.
yes
Ĩthaia njara 33